These are the vials. They contain 5 doses each.
The governor's office will now be reserving 40% of all vaccinations for those residents living in the most disadvantaged areas in the state. Newsom emphasized the disparities in the communities that have had the highest COVID-19 case rates during the pandemic.
Just consider low-income households earning less than $40,000 a year have been impacted by 2 times those in households whose incomes are north of $120,000. They've been impacted by multiples.
Despite these disparities, the distribution of the vaccine has favored wealthier communities.
At the same time, insult to injury, households earning over $120,000 have twice the access to vaccines than those communities that have been disproportionately impacted. That is what we have to reconcile.
With the new policy, state officials said they will ensure that more vaccines arriving in disadvantaged communities will end up in the arms of the local residents who need them the most. The 40% of all vaccines will be distributed to about 400 underserved zip codes statewide. Most are in Los Angeles County and the Central Valley, but several zip codes in the South Bay will also benefit. Nora Vargas is the county board supervisor representing the region.
I am ecstatic about it. This is what we've been fighting for from day one, right? I mean, I think the board, advocating for health equity, this is what health equity is all about.
South San Diego County is home to more essential workers who are more likely to catch and spread the virus. The zip codes in this part of the county have also had the highest infection rates throughout the pandemic.
The Latino community has been most impacted disproportionately by COVID-19, especially in the South Bay. And so if we're going to reach herd immunity, we have to make sure that we take these bolder steps, as the governor said.
So far, 1.6 million doses have been distributed to Californians living in underserved communities. The governor's office announced on Thursday that once 2 million doses have been distributed, the threshold for exiting the most restrictive purple tier will be relaxed from 7 daily cases per 100,000 residents to 10 daily cases. Joe Hong, KPBS News.